My name is Daniel Cruz with Prism Data Systems, and we like smart power for many reasons. One, it kind of takes the place of having a separate vendor for a power conditioner and a UPS, since they're both all in one. I like the compact design. I like the three-way power cord. You know, the fact that I could use the three-way power cord in a kitchen video system where the monitor's plugged in, the kitchen controller's plugged in, and typically a printer's plugged in. Have all three devices plugged to the three-way smart cord, have them all protected, and have the customer only need one outlet for those three devices versus adding power is handy. Love the warranty, you know, the lifetime warranty on the smart power cord and the longer warranty on the UPSs. Price is right. It's not complicated. You know, other transformer companies or whatever power conditioner companies are really complicated with the, you know, the amps and, you know, trying to figure out what exactly you need. I don't need to figure anything out. My sales guys don't need to figure anything out. We add power, smart power to all our quotes now, and you know, it's not even really an option. If the customer truly doesn't want to be protected, then we warn him about voiding his warranty and whatnot. But other than that, it's on the quote, whether you like it or not, because we want to keep our customers happy, keep uptime, you know, for the customers. And a lot of our customers are 24-hour restaurants, so you know, we got to keep them up, and smart power does that for us.
Gotcha. What were you using before?
We were using PowerVar or just a off-the-shelf APC UPS or just some cheap UPS devices. We understood that a lot of customers don't understand what a UPS actually is or does. They think they're protected by having a UPS, and we try to explain to them that they're not truly protected, but they would think they were protected. So if they want to buy a UPS, we would sell them a UPS just off the shelf, knowing that they weren't truly protected, only, you know, adding battery backup to their devices. And then PowerVar, which was extremely complicated, extremely expensive for the customer. You know, they're big and bulky, you can't mount them anywhere, especially in a kitchen video situation where, you know, your videos are hanging from the ceiling or the wall, power's on the wall. You know, you now have to mount this giant, you know, PowerVar device, which as a former installer, you know, I want it to be neat and clean. Smart power allows me to do that. Longer extension cords and, you know, things like that just make it easier to use. So.
Oh, great. So you use the power conditioners and the UPSs with the power conditioning?
I don't remember doing both, but it was either one or the other. You know, if they didn't want to get isolated, dedicated power in their stores, we would say, well, you have to at least use PowerVar or something to protect the manufacturer's warranty. So some people still opted out of that, and they paid the price as a result. You know, they had constant system problems or lockups or reboots, stuff like that. So.
Exactly. Have you noticed that you've had a reduction in support calls since you started using smart
You know,
power?
I guess I don't think about it too much, but I suppose we do, because we started using it, and because we kind of mandated that we use smart power with all our systems, we don't really have customers that aren't using smart power, so it's hard to say exactly the benefit, but now that I think about it, we don't get that many calls from these stores in relation to power-related type issues. So.
Like issues like the number one's going to be what, locking up, the screen's locking up. So those calls,
the random ghostly things that power can cause. All that we don't have those issues. We do have hard failures here and there, you know, of other things, but nothing that we would relate to power like we used to. So.
Well, good. So would you recommend smart power systems to
Definitely
recommend
smart power. I do recommend smart power to all our customers. The sale, it's an easy sell, and like I said, we're putting it pretty much, we're mandating it on all our quotes from now on. So you know, it's part of our system, and I don't see us stopping anytime soon.
Good. Well, I
Price
appreciate
is
it.
Right. You know, everything's good. Service is great.
Well, great.
Sales support after the sale has been great. So.
Excellent. Well, thanks, Dan. What do you think about smart power systems?
I do all the purchasing and product research for our company, and there's no other power protection system out there that has the same technology that Smart Power has. It's the easiest and best technology I've seen.